Welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to do a no yeast pizza. So in the container there are 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix well to combine. I am also adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil if you choose this. Then I am mixing the flour into a dough, adding water a little at a time. Knead the dough for about a minute. And now shape the dough into a ball shape and then cover and allow the dough to rest for about 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, I lightly flour a cutting board and then I roll the dough using a rolling pin. Make sure that the center is thin. However, that did not record. I thought I was recording. Obviously not. So that part is missing. So it is easy, you just use a rolling pin at this point to roll the dough. You're gonna roll the center. You want the center to be thin, and then you transfer the dough onto the pizza pan, or if you're using a cookie sheet, just transfer the dough and then just use a paring knife or a pizza cutter to remove the excess dough that is hanging. So now just slightly fold over the edges of the dough. So now I am adding the pizza sauce. I do not want a lot of the sauce on the pizza, so I am adding the sauce lightly. In the meantime, preheat an oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I am adding mozzarella cheese. I am also adding Italian 6 cheese. This is optional, but it is cheese pizza. So I am adding generous amount of cheese to the pizza. You can also add your favorite toppings, whether you want to use bacon or sausage or mushroom or barbecue chicken or pepperoni, you name it. Just use what you want to use. For me personally, I only like cheese pizza. I don't like my pizza with topping. And so I am using cheese, only cheese, right? Yeah, man. So gonna bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 minutes. The pizza is out of the oven. It smells so delicious, and I'm gonna cut it using a paring knife right now. This is my fast and easy to make no yeast pizza. It smells great. It tastes delicious. Try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Remember to share my videos, subscribe, and click post notification bell. What would until next time.